right. Next question coming in from Danny. Danny says, okay, I'm brand new to all of this, just finishing out my day. And I'm about halfway through my training. The only thing I'm confused with is you make a funnel to get emails. Okay, great. I got that. So let's say I have a good list now. How do you use other affiliate links, such as, let's say, how do we do that? Okay. So basically you're saying that you're going to the training that you are actually invested into, and they're telling you that, okay, here's a funnel and here's some emails.
Yep.
But then you're seeing, like, how do you get other offers? Is that what you're asking, Danny? You're asking, how do you use other
I got
affiliate
this.
links?
I got-
Okay.
yeah, I got this.
We
I
got
this.
you. Go ahead, Rich.
I got this. So basically, when you look at an affiliate marketing system has different levels of products, right, that you invest in. And then when you actually market it, what happens is people come in through the funnel and they purchase those multiple products, right? Now, that's not your system. That's someone else's system. But the great thing about it is you can create your own system very, very simply. And let's say that you have a 7-day follow-up email series. When those 7 days, you can actually give value by educating the lead going through by saying, hey, number one thing you want to focus on is building a list. And in that email, you can give a little bit of value in that email, direct them to a video, and then teach them how to set up an autoresponder so they know how the list works. You don't have to go into the hard teaching, just basic information to start teaching them how a list works, right? Now, what's going to happen is underneath your video in the description, you can put your Aweber affiliate link or GetResponse affiliate link or whatever autoresponder you use, right? And now you just turn one income stream into 2 income streams. Let's say it's on, I don't know, day 3 that you added that. Yeah, what about day 4? Hey, teach some traffic. Become an affiliate for like Udemy and share some education on Udemy. Now you just turn 1 income stream into 3 income streams. See how that works? But you don't want to like always try to just educate. You want to split it up. You want to do different things. You want to, do some mindset email one day, maybe a motivational, right? Get on video, speak to them. A story, tell a story, right? Tell a relatable story that they can relate to. You can mix it all up, mix it up, right? That way you're taking them through a journey. And before you know it, you'll start having like 3 income streams, 4 income streams, 10 income streams. The possibilities are endless. Endless. It's like you build this machine. Once you build it, it's done. It's your system. It's your automated system that you build. So
yes. I love that. When I first started, Danny, in this industry, I came from an old school network marketers background. MLM. And I never knew you could create multiple streams of income. In that case, my understanding was, I had to buy more OPC products and more cleaning products and more jewelry and buy all these catalogs and sell more. But that's not what it was about. Yeah. I transitioned as a network marketer for affiliate marketing and mastered selling high ticket products of someone else's. So that way I could learn how to create my own. Once I got good at mastery of selling someone else's offer, now I can create my own. You see, that's the golden rule. So when it came to creating all these different offers and having an email campaign, you don't keep marketing the same offer over and over again, 365 days a year. I learned that you can mix it up when you have other offers. I mean, that's the whole premise of creating leverage, right? So case point example, you say, well, where am I going to get all these affiliate links? They're right in front of you, right under your nose, and you don't even know it, right? So like, for example, if you have an Aweber account and that's your autoresponder and you need that Aweber account to literally pay for itself, why not, like Rich said, create content on the value of having Aweber versus its competitor, okay? And on top of that, offer a free trial. Why not? Every person that signs up with Aweber gets a free trial when they're brand new. So you could create value in a post in your email, guys, I'm giving you some golden nuggets here. Give me some hearts and lights. Hello. You literally create a post in your email and you make this great piece of content. Hell, do it for the whole week for all I care, but do it and you create it. And then they see you on camera talking about Aweber. They see you actually demonstrating how Aweber works and how you're using it. And then you go, if you like more information, click the link below my video. If you have a YouTube account and you say, get more information, I'll give you my affiliate link. And yes, will I make a commission off of it? Of course, because I'm the one recommending it, right?
Yes,
That's how it works. And you do that part of your process in your email campaigns.
but
And
you
that's
know,
just one other offer aside from your primary business, because not everybody's going to want your primary business.
and why exactly? Why would we say this? Because not all leads are the same, right? Some leads have their own offers, right? And others are looking. So you're not
Yes.
leaving any money on the table by actually using this strategy.
Exactly.
They need tools and softwares for their business.
Exactly. But see, the problem is when you're new to affiliate marketing, you just have this narrow thought that, oh, give me my affiliate link. I'll send it to whoever I could actually get acquainted with and give them my link and hopefully pray that I make a sale. But you're missing the big picture of becoming a super affiliate, where you literally can capitalize off of everything you ever own, and including making sure that the stuff that you bought off of Amazon, you could monetize too. Like, how many times have we jumped on the Zoom, Rich, and when we have meetings, our clients would go, hey, that chair looks pretty hot. Where'd you get that chair? We say, here's my Amazon link.
Oh yeah,
I bought
yeah,
it from
yeah.
Amazon.
They were like, give me
Yo,
your link, give me
Yeah,
your
they go,
link.
yo, what's up with that camera? I like that camera, Rich. Rich, I like that hat. Where'd you get that hat from? Man, everything I'm wearing and everything is in my house. I would say, look, if you see it on camera, I got an affiliate link with it. Seriously, that's a golden rule.
But
Don't
this
ever
one,
refer
listen,
without it being yours.
This one's not an affiliate, just so you know.
Them glasses you're wearing is an affiliate link, Rich,
These-
because I bought you those.
These glasses are an affiliate.
That's
yes.
an affiliate. Yes, I have an affiliate with,
Yeah.
with the company that actually do glasses.
Yeah.
So if somebody says they want to save up on prescription, guess what? I'll give you my affiliate and get some cheap glasses, but they're much better than what you pay at Lens Crafters.
You know what though? That really goes back to how I first learned affiliate
Yeah.
marketing. What they told me was,
Yeah.
you already invite people to see a movie, but you don't get paid for it,
Referral marketing.
right?
Yeah.
But if you can refer something that is the benefit and value to someone, and you get paid, it's a win-win situation because they're getting
It is.
exactly what they're asking for and what they want,
Yeah.
and you're getting paid in the process.